I don't have a lot of time. Rye okay with you?
You look like you know what you're doing.
Hello, and welcome to Recipes with Ben. In today's video, we're making the Old Fashioned from Mad Men. So let's change into a suit and make this cocktail. Adding an orange at the end is the final touch to making an old fashioned. Optionally, you can add a cherry on top. If you want to see how I made these, I'll have a link to that video down below. And thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing soon to miss the next one. I'll see you again soon.